Hey Samia, I'm just recording a video. It's a little easier for me to explain. So there's the worksheet. So all I did was take this top one right here and I wrote it in my notebook so I could actually write about it. So here's what you're supposed to do. This is my shorthand for positive and negative, and this is increasing and decreasing. So, right, so here's the function, right? Root or absolute value of x minus 3. I'm just going to graph it here, but you can also make a table and graph. But now I need to figure out how to do absolute value. I think it's under second. Where's math? No, it's under just math. And then you can just see me look through this. There it is, absolute value. It is under math. So the absolute value of x all minus 3, right? And hopefully now that you did transformations, you know that's just going to be the absolute value function moved down 3. So when I graph it, it looks like that. I could have easily sketched it on my paper, but I just wanted to show you. So this is what the graph looks like. Okay, so when I go back to the table, I need to figure out where this thing is positive and increasing, and that goes in this box, right? And there were some letters in there that I'll add. It was A. I'm just going to put them in the corner. E, B, and F. Okay, so where is this thing positive and increasing? Well, it's positive everywhere it's above the x-axis, and the slope is increasing here, which is starting at 3 to infinity. So what I would write here is that it's positive and increasing from 3 to infinity. All right, when is this thing positive but decreasing? Let's look at my graph. It's positive up here, positive and decreasing all the way till it hits the x-axis at negative 3. So this one would be from negative infinity to negative 3. Now this one says, when is it negative and increasing? So negative's down here below the x-axis. It's negative and increasing, just this little spot right here. So from 0 to 3. And then, sorry, it's so wiggly. Then my last step, when is it negative and decreasing? It's negative down here and decreasing on the left side of the x-axis. So from negative 3 to 0. So I'm going to write that here. And then these help me fill out that little puzzle thing on the bottom, which I only wrote the 2 we needed because you don't use them all. So 3 to infinity was an A, so above that line I would write an A. Then the other one that was useful from this graph was 0 to 3 was E, so I would put an E there. So that's all you're doing is trying to fill in this. It'll be a little message, and you're using this kind of like a grid, positive and increasing, positive and decreasing. Hopefully that makes a little sense. All right, let me know if it doesn't.